Okay, guys, let's go to Kmart. Yeah! So I convinced my mom and dad to go to Kmart to buy some flip books. So it technically worked, and now I'm going to Kmart. Yippee! I found this coffee shop, and I was like, Mom, Dad, can I have some hot chocolate? And they said yes, so I went to get one, and it literally tasted so good. I really loved it. So after the hot chocolate, we went into Kmart and we were looking for some flip books. We looked everywhere and we couldn't find anything, so we just got something else instead. We were gonna make our own by ourselves. Dad, I think this is our only choice. We have no more flip books.
Yeah, okay.
Now we are at home preparing our flip books. So what you see here is me and my dad folding the papers. We're folding them into 4, and we're also cutting the edges off, and we're gonna glue them together, and that's how we do it. This is gonna take a while. Finally, after 2 hours, we got this. Now it's time to glue. I need my dad to help me here because gluing and, cutting the edges off. Hi guys, so we're finally done, and now this is the moment that you all been waiting for. Drawing. So I'm not drawing alone, and I have Dad.
Alright, so it's Christmas coming up, so we're going to drawing something about Christmas, yeah?
Yep.
Merry Christmas, guys!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas.
Alright.
The color green of Christmas.
Yeah.
The color. Never mind, not pink. I'll start on this one. Yeah.
We start at first page.
Okay, so this is my dad's flip book, and this is my flip book. Let's take a look.
Okay, guys. Now it's time to stop.
Please like and subscribe if you made it this far. It'll really help.
Yeah, it's helped us a lot. Encourage us to do some more videos like this. These videos take us a long time, is it, Candace?
It's nighttime now.
Yeah, I know. It's like 2 days making flipbook, drawing them, editing videos. It's a lot of time. So please like the videos, subscribe to our channel. It keep this channel growing. We can keep putting out more content like this. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.
And thank you for subscribing.
Yeah. All right. Bye.
Bye.
Like, subscribe.
Make sure to comment what video we should do next.
Bye. Like, subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Like, subscribe. Bye.